Hi there. I want to show you how to use our Magic Notepad wherever you are to augment and personalize your meeting notes. So first, let's start with Google Meet. In any meeting where your AI bot is attending, your Magic Notepad will proactively pop up. You can always close it by either clicking on X or simply clicking on the Note button. It's always accessible when you need it. You can drag and drop, resize it as you see fit. Now, on Zoom, you can actually chat directly with your AI. It'll message you at the beginning of the meeting, making sure you know that you can send it direct messages, and they'll act as your Magic Notepad. Any thoughts, ideas that you want to jot down, important topics or highlights, your AI has got it and will make sure to augment and personalize your meeting notes after the fact. Finally, you can also find it on timeOS. This is, for example, a check-in we had earlier today with the team, and you can see that our actual private notes tab is gone and replaced by our Magic Notepad. It is present before, during, and after the meeting, and a single click will expand it. In this case, I simply added myself an action item which wasn't explicitly mentioned during the call. While we were talking, just something popped up and I wrote it down for myself. And you can see, if I skip down to the action items, that I indeed have an action item to schedule a one-on-one with our newest employee, Nazal. In general, you'll notice that our action items and our summary are, we believe, 10x better. And that's in no small part thanks to the Magic Notepad, but also due to our new Magic Summary block, which works ideally best with our Magic Notepad. So, use that Magic Notepad, let us know how it goes, and we hope to hear from you soon.